Jai Hind everyone. My topic is energy crisis. So, what do we mean by energy crisis? The energy crisis happens when the demand is more and the supply is less, and all the world is suffering from this. So, the main cause of energy crisis is the non 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 proper use of energy all over the world, and it is, as we all know, it is non-renewable resource, in non-renewable source of energy. So how we can tackle this? So we can tackle this by using renewable source of energies, and it has a major impact on social and also on international levels. As we all can see, this can lead to a conflict which we recently saw between the US and Venezuela. Energy crisis led to the real reasons of political crisis, and even within a country and on an international level. And India is tackling it, as we are consuming 85% of the energy, and the world which has shown the energy hike of usage of 25 to 30% in last 20 years. So we are just going towards more use of energy, and this is not as we are planning. So India is tackling it, as India has developed the International Solar Alliance, using of solar energy more, using of coal more. So it can be tackled by using the renewable sources, and by bringing the countries together over this. So the energy crisis can lead to a very vast disaster, and in every, not in the country, even on international level. So the solution for this is, we can use electric vehicles, we can use hydrogen gas vehicles, and we can tackle this by using solar panels in our home, not on national level, but we can supply it to international level, as India is doing by doing by making the solar alliance, which was made in 2015, 2020, sorry, and it has approximately of 200 members. And in this, the recent news was the USA just pulled it out from this, as he's just trying to destroy the world. The energy crisis is a big crisis, and it can lead to international conflicts and a national crisis within the country too.
But to conclude, I like to say formatting करो.
Okay.
आई खाली आई